Hey, welcome. In this video, I'll share with you a case study of how I was able to make $300 in 30 minutes using ChatGPT. Now, here is the thing, this particular video is actually unplanned, but I've decided to share this case study with you so you can start seeing ChatGPT in another way, because it's not just for content generation. You can actually use it to make money as well. Okay, not to waste our time, videos like this, you need to show proof that you actually made money with ChatGPT. So I'll show you the proof, then I'll take you through the whole process of how I was able to utilize ChatGPT to make this money. Now, this is my Revolut account, so I'll just refresh my browser so we know this is actually real, not a doctored something. So I'll just reload it. So Revolut is like Stripe, like PayPal, but very common in Europe. So this is my PLN. I'll still talk about this. So let me just switch to my USD account, my dollar account. Okay, so this is my dollar account. Now, this was the payment made. I'll talk about how I was able to make the receive the money. So this was the payment made, which is the $300. As you can see, yesterday 10:45 p.m. Then when I received the money, because I'm in Poland, right, I just had to convert. This is not my main account, it's just what I use to receive money from some client. My client is actually from US. So this is me converting the USD. Can you see sold USD to PLN? Can you see? So that's what we have here at this rate, $1 to 4.3 PLN, which is the currency used in Poland. I hope that's very clear. So it is converted, or it was converted to this. Then let me just show you lastly my Zloty account. So I've already received the money, converted it, then I sent it to my bank account here in Poland. So it's still pending, it is not immediately, so it will reflect probably today or tomorrow. But of course, the money is already in my account, which I've sent out. Okay, now that I have broken down and show you the proof that I actually made the money, so let me now show you how I was able to make the money. So for people watching from Nigeria, as of today, the exchange rate is 750, but let's assume we are using 740. Now multiply 740 times 2 times $300, that's about 222,000 naira. So if you could make that in 30 minutes with ChatGPT, is that not cool? Okay, now let me walk you through how I was able to make the $300 in 30 minutes. So this is one of our clients that we helped to set up a advert, and we help manage our advert. So she was like, hey, this campaign that we are currently running for her is getting our leads, and she just wants me to review and just check the campaign. That was the message she sent. Then okay, I was like, no problem. Then we jumped on the call later yesterday. Now on the call, I saw the campaign, because she sells iTicket offer. The campaign is actually doing pretty well. The result is also good. But then, if your result is good, you can as well get a greater result. And this is one thing I learned from Justin Brook. This was during our interview session when I interviewed him on my show, the Expert V Show. He said something. Now what he said was, I refer to email marketing as a microwave for ads traffic. The greatest way to increase your profit, to make more money from ads, is with email marketing. That was one of the things I learned from him. So I told our clients why we're on the call. Meanwhile, if you want to check out this video, just come to adelkesamuel.com/TES11, TES11. So I just told the clients, okay, you're actually getting good results, but one of the things we do in our agency is, if we can get you better results, why not? So I just pitched this service that, okay, instead of you just running advert directly, even though you're getting results, why not plug in email marketing to this? And that was it. So I just pitched out the service, and she said, yeah, she's interested. She has been doing email marketing, but she stopped. So basically what we are doing is helping her rewrite her email sequence. That is it. So after pitching her, and I told her to make the payment live on the call while we are on the call, and she made the payment, and that was it. So that was how I actually taught this client to make this payment. So what I want you to note here is this. This is not some magic or Ponzi kind of make money online model. No, this is a client we are already delivering value to. I only told her that we can help her maximize her budget so she can make more money from whatever she has invested in adverts. Then we're able to convince her and pitch her one of our services. Then we close the deal and we made the money. So here's the thing, yours might not be email marketing, yours could be anything at all, but then you leverage ChatGPT, and I will show you how we're able to leverage ChatGPT. It could be you writing email marketing, or even writing video script, or video script for Reels, for TikTok. You can use ChatGPT for all of these things. Do you get it now? And it could be also email marketing. If you have clients already that you offer one of your services to, think of another service you can render to them. You can even brainstorm with ChatGPT to suggest one with, for you. Do you understand? Or you could call, you pitch new clients. Anyway, just find a client and do the same thing I've done. Now let me show you how I was able to use ChatGPT to do everything. So what I did was to visit the client's website, even though we are the one that designed the website, wrote the copy. So I visited the website and I copied everything on the sales page. Then after copying all of this content on the website, on the sales page, then I came to ChatGPT and I told ChatGPT, analyze the copy and share some insight. Then I pasted everything I copied on the sales page of my client's website, pasted it. Then let me show you what I will not show some of this copy because I don't want to reveal some things. So this is ChatGPT analysis. Can you see? So it analyzed everything. Now after analyzing everything, then I did just one thing. What did I do? Then I came to ChatGPT. Now I scrolled down to email marketing. So what I did was to copy this prompt and pasted it into ChatGPT, and it generated the 7-part email sequence which I delivered to the client. Easy peasy. And that is it. Now listen, this particular email sequence, if I'm to write it, this 7-part email sequence, if I'm to write it, I'll probably spend 2 days writing it, or let's say 24 hours a day. But then I was able to use ChatGPT to do everything in minutes, and what it wrote is top notch, because the kind of prompt that I fetched into ChatGPT was very, very advanced and unique, and gave me something very amazing. And don't forget, I've pre-trained it first, then I gave it the prompt. But then if you do not know what ChatGPT is a collection of 120 advanced ChatGPT prompts that you can use to unleash the power of AI in your marketing. With this prompt, you can convert ChatGPT to your personal marketing assistant that will always be available to deliver and render his assistance. Now with this, you can simply just copy any of the prompts inside of ChatGPT for email marketing, copywriting, Facebook ads, anything at all. So far it is marketing, headline generation. Just copy, paste it into ChatGPT, and you'll be able to craft high converting copy and top quality content for all of your marketing needs. Faster, easier, at no cost. And here is the thing, guys, it's currently selling at $10, but in the next 2 days, which is by April 1st, it will go into $15. So if you're interested, come to chatgpt.com. Okay, so after doing that, you can see this is the content. So I just regenerated, I found the best email sequence. Can you see? So this is email 1, email 2, email 3, email 4, email 5, email 6, email 7. Guys, I did not write any of this myself. I only fetch and fed it with the right prompt and gave him this, and boom, that was how I was able to make $300 in less than 30 minutes. So guys, here's the thing, if you are new to ChatGPT, probably you don't know how to use it, I would advise you check out this playlist that I created. This is a playlist where you learn different ways in which you can apply ChatGPT and AI in your daily life, in your business, to make more money, to save more money, and to be more productive. Okay guys, so that'll be all for now, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.